What up everyone? So in this video I want to quickly go ahead and show my results from my manual dropshipping store that I did. Okay, I will go through exactly what I did, how much I made, everything. Okay, so before we start, again, I have a free Telegram group that you can join and ask me questions, and the member questions, it's much more active than Facebook, so go ahead and join. The link is in the description. And subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1000 subscribers. So let's get straight to the video. So basically what I want to share is to go ahead and share with you my results from the dropshipping, my manual dropshipping store. It's not, the profit is not much. Okay, I didn't make this store for the profit. And why is that? Because I used a flagged account. Okay, what I did, I took one of my flagged accounts. Okay, I deleted all the items that I have that are from Amazon. Okay, I used most of my items are from Amazon. Okay, for that account I just deleted all the items. Okay, I disconnected all the softwares, all the API softwares, and using not anything besides Excel spreadsheet and Google spreadsheet. Okay, so basically I'm kind of happy from that results, because what I'm going to do is to go ahead, and I already started it. Okay, I have a new unlinked account. Okay, and that will not be linked in any way. A brand new account that I already started, and I'm around 1K in sales in like a week or two, something like that. So I'm super excited about it. So let's go straight to the results. Okay, so as you can see, those results are for the month of March 2019. So basically, as you can see, I sold around 4,126 pounds. It's not big, okay, but the problem with this account, that actually this account got flagged. Okay, and I had around 11,000 listings in this account, and like this account was losing me money. Okay, I was paying so much high fees for the softwares to have this amount of items, and to eBay for fees, that this is the problem, that I was losing money with this account. So I just took it, let's say refreshed it, and did something new at all. Okay, I just wanted to test it to see if I can actually fix a flagged account. You cannot compare it with a brand new account. The brand new account that I have it's like really smashing it, and every single listing I'm ranked first. So I will be moving everything and taking my best sellers from this account to the brand new account. So let's go to my spreadsheet so I can show you. Okay, so this spreadsheet is exactly okay. So I had it a lot of columns that you don't need to see. But basically this is all you need to see: the date, sale date, the sold price, buying price, shipping price, the category, and this is the break even. This is the VAT I owe because I'm VAT registered, and my net profit. So as you can see, I have a lot of different profit percentages. The profit percentage for this month wasn't that great, and I will explain you why shortly. So let's go till the end. This is all the sales that I made, and you can see that in total the VAT I owe is like 70 pounds, and I made in this account 226 pounds in net profit, and 6.22%. But I also have some cashback. So let's go to my cashback website. As you can see, my cashback for the month of March, let me show you. The cashback for March was 36 pounds point 09. So yeah, I had a cashback, a bit cashback, and my net profit is like 226. So it's around 260. So let's say you take I have an eBay store, and actually this is a mistake that I made, because I only have in this store right now I have like 40 listings. I don't have more than that, and I'm actually pruning a bit, and I will taking down the listings and move everything to my brand new store. So basically, it's not, again, it's not a lot, but it's only with 1 month. Okay, I started in February. In the end of February, I made a few days that I listed items, and that's it. I haven't done anything all this month, and this is like a passive income, all of that. And still, this is only to show you guys that it is doable and it is easy. I still working on my profit margins to have more, but I'm working a different technique. I start with lower profit margins to have some sales, to have some history sales, and then I go ahead and I increase my price. So the first month it's not the best profit, but with the time, every single month or every single few sales, I increase the profit, and this is how I make more profit in the process. So basically, like, I'm happy with that, and this is don't forget, this is a flagged account. Like, the results on a brand new account it's something else. It's a different beast. Like, I have 15 listings in my brand new store, and it's already did 1K in sales in less than 2 weeks. Okay, so for me it's brilliant. Okay, let's see what else. So basically this is the profits. This is what I did. Okay, it's not the biggest numbers. I don't care about like the biggest numbers. I see here opportunity. I see that it is something that the amount of work that I had to do for this is a joke compares to this money. So to make 5 grand, to make a grand, okay, 1 pound, 1,000 pounds in profit, I need to work 5 times harder. It's nothing. It's a joke, believe me. And I almost didn't have any cancellations. I don't have almost any price changes. Yeah, and you know, if you can see if you saw my previous video that I explained how to choose your proper supplier and item that you want to drop ship, this is the thing that I don't have too much problems, cancellations, returns, things like that. And this profit is after returns, refunds that I had in this month. So that is for this is for my merch, let's say, income report for this manual store. And I will be of course I will be updating you about my brand new store that will make much more, and I know that. And I'm just trying to, I have like another week for the PayPal jail, and then I can start list again, because I only have 15 listings. So stay tuned, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope that this inspires you and gives you some indication. Again, it's not the biggest numbers. Okay, I already showed the biggest numbers, and I will show more bigger numbers. Okay, yeah, that's it. If you like this video, leave this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that, guys. Take care.